Hello friends, I start this channel to share my experience in spirituality and to share with the world how can we connect with God in the easiest way. What are the benefits of it? How our life changes? How we make mistakes in day-to-day life? How we become prey to social system, political system, all this. These things are connected. We cannot separate religion with politics from politics or society. Whatever we do in society or we do in politics, that affects our spiritual life also. And if we develop in spiritual life, we get benefit in social life as well as in political life. So these things I want to share with you. I have joined a meditation group, Shri Ramchandra Mission, in 2005. Since then I am practicing this, and within 2-3 years I got some inner development, I should say, and other benefits in life. But basically I could understand how this works, what is the mechanism behind it, and how it is scientific, that I could understand after developing through this method. देखिए, it is clear कि humans are not in peace. They are doing hard work. Now they are killing themselves almost doing the hard work. But then also they are not in that peace and in that love or enjoyment. Its reason is that when we are disconnected from God and we are living in this world and doing work, so this life, day-to-day life, is leaving effect on us. When someone is telling us something, we are feeling happy, we are getting angry, we are getting jealous, we are whatever effect is going on us, that is becoming accumulated within us. That is the main cause of our pain. And if we remove that accumulation from us, then we can get peace, inner enjoyment, eternal bliss we will feel. How can we do that? Best and easiest is a small prayer I am telling you, that you can tell or speak before going to sleep and think over that. That is, O Master, O God, O Allah, Thou art the real goal of human life. You are the real goal of human life. We are yet but slaves of our wishes, putting bar to our advancement. Thou art the only God and power. You are the only God and power that can take us up to that stage. तो ये छोटी सी प्रेयर है, बट ये बहुत यूनिक एंड मैजिकल प्रेयर है, क्योंकि इस प्रेयर में वी आर आस्किंग गॉड that ultimate aim of our life, human life, is God, and we are slaves to our wishes, slaves of our wishes. So we cannot achieve or we cannot reach him. He can come to us and he should come to us. That is. So if we don't have this type of prayer and we are asked to say कि we should ask for God's company or this or that, then we make mistake. We can at last we start saying that we want peace, we want comfort, we want all should be happy. Then aim will be changed, and aim should not be changed. What is our aim? Aim is, ultimate aim is God. And God should come to us. How can you do it in better way? Prayer you can say, but you feel that time. that godliness, energy, godliness is energy that is flowing into us, that is flowing from front to us, and all accumulation, all effect of life is going out from the back. And I am telling you because I have experienced it. After doing all this, earlier I was having health disorder, health issues. I was not able to sleep properly at night, and suffocation was there, and continuous thought process was there. So when I did with the help of preceptor in my mission, we did meditation. This prayer is main, and that accumulation is going out of our body, that is main thing. And then gradually I changed, my health improved, my thought process stopped, and because of that coming out of that thought process, now I am so relaxed, and you can see that our health improves, because it is our thought which makes us sick, which gets us into hypertension, diabetes. So, and even without doing much physical yoga or exercise, your body becomes fit, because it is the prayer when that energy will flow into you, and when that energy is coming into us, so all extra will go out. That will improve your body, mind, soul, physical health, everything. Your, not only this, your house, people around you, your area, everything is going to improve. It may take some time. It depends what is your condition of the soul. But certainly it will improve you. Then nothing, if it has happened or if it happens, then nothing much is left to do. I have experienced, I think and things are done. Many times I think just it should be done and it happens. Someone does this. I think this, my daughter should do this, and she is doing that. I have experienced this thing so many times, still I feel that. So you see, abhi you are laborer, then you will be the officer who is just thinking and work is being done. So in this video, this much only. In other videos, I will tell you how it is scientific, how it works. I will give you example. And for this, I think I want your company. You should enjoy my company. For this, you like, subscribe, comment, whatever you feel, and bell icon also please press. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you friends.